today's recipe is jalapeno cheese cornbread muffins, and this is the perfect recipe for Thanksgiving dinner. The soft, pillowy cornbread muffins, portion controlled and so easy to make. So let me show you how. To start with the recipe, first I'm going to show you a very easy trick to make the cupcake liners or the muffin liners. Now if you don't have a muffin liner or a cupcake liner paper, you can do it at home. These are parchment papers, so I'll show you how to do it. This is a very easy trick. You have like a square parchment paper and you have a glass here, so we'll just put this on top of it and just squeeze the paper and press it like this around the glass, and make sure that the glass, or you can use a small can too, and it fits in the muffin tin and it's shaped like this. So it's as easy as that. Let me show you another one. Just take the parchment paper or butter paper, whatever works for you. Just press it along the edges of the glass, just like this. And then take this and put it in your muffin tin. So that's the easy way of making a cupcake liner. So now let's proceed with the recipe. So first we're going to turn the oven on at 350 Fahrenheit. So let me show you first the dry ingredients, then the wet ingredients. So for the dry ingredients, we need a cup of all-purpose flour or just regular flour, and then 1 cup of cornmeal, and then half a teaspoonful of baking soda, half a teaspoonful of salt, and quarter teaspoonful of garlic powder. If you don't have garlic powder, you can just add chopped garlic in it, like a finely chopped garlic. Then we'll mix them all together. We'll keep it aside, and next I'll show you the wet ingredients. So for the wet ingredients, we are using half a cup of plain yogurt. This is Greek yogurt. You can use normal yogurt and use a cheesecloth to drain all the liquid. And to that we're going to add half a cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Then we are going to whisk all of them together. So the wet ingredients are done. So I'll show you the next step. Next step, we have half a cup of unsalted and melted butter. So this will go in there, this bowl. And in this we are going to add half a cup of sugar and mix them together. So to make it fast, I'm going to use my hand mixer. It's so much easier. So once the sugar has melted a little bit, I'm going to add 1 egg at a time. So here goes the 1 egg. We'll beat it again. Goes the other egg. Now everything is mixed. Now in this we are going to add the yogurt and milk mixture. side. Mix them together. And this we're going to add about half a cup of shredded cheese. Now I'm using a mix of jack cheese and cheddar cheese. If you want, you can just use cheddar cheese. So the cheese goes in there. Then about 1 tablespoon of green onion, chopped green onions, and then about 1 tablespoon, or this is about 2 tablespoons of chopped jalapenos, and these are the jarred ones. If you want, you can add fresh ones too, and you can vary the amount. Like if you want, you can add more, about like 1/4 cup of jalapeno if you can take the heat. So we're gonna mix them again together. Then we're going to slowly add the dry ingredients in there, and we'll just give it a mix. So you mix it till there is no lump left. So next I'll show you how to put them in the muffin tin. So I have a spoon which I use, but you can always use a half a cup of measure and use it for pouring it in the muffin tin. So your cornbread muffins are ready, but let me show you the last step. Now we have poured all the batter into the cornbread batter into the muffin tin. So I have like half a cup of shredded cheese. I'm going to sprinkle them on top like this. Done. Then I have some sliced jalapenos. You can use the fresh ones too. These are the jarred ones. Just place it on top of each muffin. And this goes in the oven for about 15-20 minutes until everything is puffed up and nicely browned, and at 350 Fahrenheit. So here it is. Cornbread muffin is ready to be served. So you can see how pretty they look. They're still warm, and since you have the parchment, it comes out so easily, and it's fuming. So you let it cool, and then you serve it with a little bit of butter and honey. That's how it looks. Let me show you how it looks from inside. It's all ooey gooey and cheesy, and with the jalapenos in there, this looks so good. Steamy and smells so good. So hopefully you're going to make this soon for your Thanksgiving dinner and for your friends and family, and you're going to love it. See you next time. Bye. Please do subscribe, like and comment on my YouTube channel, Simply Saffron by Pooja Seal. And don't forget to push the bell icon for further notifications whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching and keep on watching. Bye.